As a quick recap, Vivo recently released the upgrade to the Vivo Y15A and Y11, the Y16. This is part of its line of camera-focused yet affordable and trendy smartphones. And in this video, we will see if this is a sleek smartphone on a budget for you. Hi guys, this is Peter and welcome back to the GIZGUIDEPH channel. The first thing you will notice is Vivo's 2.5D trendy design with its flat frame. Our unit comes in drizzling gold, which gives off different reflections when put against a light and is intended to remind you of the sun's golden rays. The phone is also available in stellar black, featuring the same texture at the back and a smooth black finish on the sides. Vivo claims that the anti-scratch and anti-fingerprint coating will keep the phone always looking new, and we could say that with our short time with the phone, hindi siya madaling kapitan ng fingerprints and smudges. In short, our first reason why the Vivo Y16 is a sleek, affordable smartphone is because of its design. It's very grippable and doesn't look very fragile. And second, it has an eye-catching finish that will surely turn heads. Turning our attention to the appearance, we find the camera department at the top left end of the phone, along with the Vivo branding on the bottom left. The right side of the phone contains the power button that doubles as a fingerprint sensor, as well as the volume rocker, while the right side is flush. The bottom part contains a loudspeaker, a microphone hole, headphone jack, and USB Type-C charging port. The phone's top contains the dual SIM and microSD tray, as well as the earpiece speaker. In front, it has a 6.1-inch HD IPS display with slim bezels on the sides, a notch on top, and a hefty chin. Anyway, this display is good enough for viewing your favorite social media content and even streaming Netflix on the go. The display itself is not the brightest, but at this price range, it is more than enough for your needs. Meron din siyang mga standard features like eye protection, color temperature adjustment, and automatic brightness. Turning our attention to audio, we have a single downward firing speaker that has a flat sound profile, but that is offset by the presence of the headphone jack, as you can listen to your favorite tunes while using your favorite pair of earphones. Even if this one is considered a budget phone, large enough yung storage options niya. First, it has 4 gigs of RAM para respectable yung speed while multitasking, and pwede ka pang mag-iwan ng a few apps sa background. Moreover, meron siyang 1 GB extended RAM technology na pwede mong kunin from its internal memory. Speaking of its internal storage, this is paired with either 64 gigs or 128 gigs storage. Tati, sa price point na to, meron pang mga 32 gigs lang ang storage. Hanap naman Y16. Plus, with a microSD card, you can even extend its storage para mas marami pang files, photos, and videos ang malagay mo. Powering all of this is a large 5000 mAh battery, which enables the phone to last more than a day with regular usage, which makes it our reason number 4 on why this is our sleek, new, affordable smartphone. And take note, nalagay ni Vivo yung big battery na yon sa ganito kanipis na smartphone. With this, you can enjoy using your phone without worrying that it might drain its battery quickly. Pwedeng pang light gaming, mahabang social media usage, and even streaming YouTube or Netflix while nasa traffic ka during commutes. So number 5 is it has decent cameras. This is because it can take photos na pwede mong i-share sa social media as is. For the cameras, you get a 13 megapixel f2.2 main shooter and a 2 megapixel macro shooter. The quality and colors under good lighting conditions are okay. Images produced by this phone are not perfect, pero if may good lighting, they look pretty good. The portrait mode, on the other hand, it's surprisingly good, especially in separating the subject to the background. Then, the 2 megapixel macro shooter allows you to shoot subjects up to 4 cm close as long as nasa well-lit condition ka. When it comes to low-light shots, it isn't the best as you can see visible noise, but still usable for ordinary social media posts. For the front camera, you get a 5MP plus selfie soft light band to help your beauty shine through. May AI face beauty din siya to instantly adjust skin tone, face shape, and facial features for a stunning natural look. Video-wise, the Y16 can shoot up to 1080p. Stabilization obviously needs more improvement here, pero in fairness naman, the quality is just good enough for casual use pa rin. By the way, the phone is run by MediaTek's Helio P35 chip, Funtouch OS 12 skin based on Android 12, and multi-turbo gaming mode version 5.5 din ito na tumutulong para mabawasan yung stutters and lag sa game. In our experience, walang issue sa light gaming pero don't expect graphic-intensive games to be very responsive even in their best performance setting. Meron din siyang ilang features to help you with managing your phone like easy share to instantly transfer data from your old phone. In terms of connectivity, it has dual SIM with LTE, may Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, and FM radio din siya. When it comes to security, may fingerprint sensor din ito sa side kasama ng power button. Vivo claims that you can unlock the phone and reach the home screen in just 0.232 seconds, and based on our experience, mabilis naman ang pag-respond ng sensor kahit hindi mo pa napipindot yung power button talaga. Facial scanning is also available if you prefer that. Overall, Vivo Y16 is a sleek, affordable smartphone to get mainly because of its design, the finishing touches, its camera features, the fast unlock, and the big battery to help you get through the day. The phone is available at Vivo's retail partners and online starting at 7,999 pesos for the 64 gigs variant and 8,499 pesos for the 128 gigs edition. And that's it, guys. What do you think about this new, sleek, affordable smartphone? Let us know in the comments below. As usual, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and features. Again, this is Peter of GIZGUIDEPH.com, and thank you so much for watching. Stay safe always, and goodbye.